Hi everyone, my name is Cody Holmes and this is my final Module 17 assignment. So for this assignment we had to create our own data protocol and here's what I chose. So my district is USD 503 and so an overview of mine, I have 4 major steps with some parts for each one. For the overview, I just talked about how the leader would present the data sheet to everyone, the suggested norms would be told, the member roles would be told, and then the leader would briefly describe what the data is going to be discussed today about. And then step 2 is the major part. This is where I took one of the big ideas from the course and I used the Bernhardt's continuous school improvement plan as some guiding questions. So question 1, who are we? This is where you would list the demographics related to the data. Number 2, how do we do business? So you'd list the perceptions and beliefs related to the data. Question 3, where are we now? What does the current data show? Number 4, why do we exist? This would be a point where we could look at the school's mission and vision statement, and we could write down how our data analysis relates to our mission and vision. And then finally, what are the gaps? What's the issue? What are we really trying to analyze here? So then step 3, our plan. How can we get to where we want to be? What can we do to change the data? So this is where the real importance of the analysis comes into play, where you will discuss and talk about the steps and things you can do to change what you want to change. 7, how will we implement? What steps? And 8, how will we evaluate? How will we assess what we did? And then finally, a big step 4, a reflection piece. And here's my graphic organizer, also at the bottom. It gives some examples of ways to collect data, ways to change data, and different data points to consider. This could be adapted to work with any type of subject, or any type of people could work on this. It doesn't matter the grade, it doesn't matter the specific subjects or areas. Like I said, this course mentioned Bernhardt a lot, and that's why I wanted to take the big idea of using her continuous school improvement plan questions as mine. So I hope you enjoyed, and I wish all of you the best of luck in whatever you do.